So in this video, we'll see how we can change profile while running Spring Boot jar file. So for that, we need to create a jar file. So go to Maven and click on package. Our IntelliJ IDEA will start creating a jar file. So it will take some time. So after finishing, go to the target folder in your project and right click on it. Then go to open in and open where the jar file has been saved in the Explorer. So here is the target folder. So here is our jar file which has been created. So what we can do is uh, copy the name of the jar file, okay, and right click, and you can open terminal also. I open in another terminal. Uh, Now what we have to do is we have to copy this and paste this here. You have to write it like Java slash jar. Then the file name will be the jar file name. Copy the jar file name and paste it here. Okay. Don't forget to add the extension of your jar, and then you have to specify the profile. So the profile you have created in your project. So I've created three profiles: dev, prod, and tester. Dev is running on 8080, prod is running on another server or port, 9090 port. Tester is running on 7070. So let's run tester. Okay. Press enter. You will see our jar file is executing, and we have the port here. If you can see port, okay, here port is 7070. Okay, and let's try to run it. Let's try to run the different profile. Let's say I want to run dev profile. So dev profile is having, okay, so dev profile, let's go on dev. So it is using Spring Framework as debug. So it will print all the dependencies and everything. So let's press on enter, and it will give you a lot of information about our project, more than the tester configuration or tester file profile have given. You can see all this information, all the dependencies, all the dependency which you have not used or which you have used. Every class is here. So let's go and let's clear the output. Okay, so the application is still running. What we can do is we can close it, and we can try to run it again, and this time we will use prod. Okay, so prod is running on a switch port. Prod is running on 9090 port. So you can see here port number 9090, and that's all. I think that's how you can create a jar file in IntelliJ IDEA and run different profiles.